This short video shows how to change the regional settings of your Windows 7 to get date functions. All right, so one of the little interesting things that has come up is that sometimes data comes in a format that is different depending on the country, and you need to be able to adapt your system to the data or the context that you're in. So particularly this shows up in dates, and particularly this shows up when using data either from the United States into Canada or vice versa. There's other times where this shows up as well, but here's an example. Recent project should look familiar to some students, or will look familiar, where we have the raw data here, and the raw data has clearly got the month first, and then the day, and then the year. So month, day, and year. And over here, I won't show you the functions, but the functions are all properly written, but they're showing this ugly value thing going on. So what is happening here? Well, this has to do with the regional settings and how dates are read. And the fact that this is actually still data that was imported in a form that makes it text. But then the functions only use that form. If this was actually converted to an Excel value, you wouldn't do this. You would simply take a copy of this and format it accordingly. So to use this data then, we need to change the regional settings. So how do you do that? Well, you go into the search bar. This is in Windows 7, of course. Go to Control Panel, and within the Control Panel, you will find, if you look around, you will find a place where it says something like Region and Language. So you can customize the settings. You click on that, and then here is the window, happens to come up where you can see it. And we're using the Canadian system here, so it's set up to use English Canada. And of course, within the English system, it's day, month, year. Well, like I said, over here we have month, day. No wonder some of the function results are confusing. If, on the other hand, then I switch this and go to English for the United States, now you'll see that the short date goes month, day, year, which matches this. If I click OK and I return to my spreadsheet, you will see that now it has cleaned it up, and what was all value, pound value, has now been recognized appropriately as the information that can be extracted from here. Very, very valuable little lesson.